In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create coupon code for Payhip product. To get started, head over to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and promotions, so it's the right place to begin if you want to create a discount for something you're selling. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you can see the main navigation menu clearly. From there, click on Marketing. This section is where Payhip keeps tools related to promotions, sales, and customer incentives. If you want to encourage more purchases, run a limited time offer or give a special discount for one item. This is the area you'll be using. Inside the marketing section, click on Add Coupon Code. This opens the coupon creation process and lets you set up a new discount. At this stage, Payhip may already show a default coupon setting, so don't worry if you see an existing option selected automatically. Next, click the downward arrow on the current coupon setting. This dropdown lets you change the scope of the coupon. In other words, it allows you to decide whether the coupon should apply more broadly or only to a specific item. Since the goal here is to create a coupon for one particular Payhip product, this is an important part of the setup. After opening that dropdown, click on Specific Product. This tells Payhip that the coupon should be tied to just one item instead of applying across multiple products. This is especially useful when you want to promote a single digital download, course, membership, or any individual listing in your store without affecting the rest of your pricing. Now select a product from the available list. Choose the exact item you want the coupon to apply to. It's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct product before moving on, especially if you sell several similar items. Once everything looks right, click on Create Coupon Now. This final step saves the coupon and makes it ready for use with the product you selected. After that, you can share the coupon with your audience as part of a promotion, email campaign, or sales event. And that's it. You've successfully created a coupon code for a specific product in Payhip. If you're using discounts as part of your marketing strategy, keeping your offers targeted like this can help make your promotions more effective and easier to manage.